Thank you po. Hello and bag again.
Yes.
Alright. At merong pabag, no? Again. Hello, love again.
Ay?
Dapat mauna ako.
Sige na. Okay na. Kapasok na ako sa sine pang alas 5. Kasama ko yung tropa. And so ready na kami sa Hello, Love Again. Yung mga cut din. Ito yung aking ngayon, update sa inyo.
Good evening po. How are you guys? So how do we like the movie? Oh, that's not enough. They're just outside. Wait, so they're just outside. You can hear them outside yelling, right? Let's make them hear us inside. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Welcome everyone. I'm your host and MC for tonight. My name is Michelangelo Masangkay. I'm the president and founder of Cine Institute, proud sponsor of our screenings here of Hello, Love Again, starring Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo. So, why are you guys here? Why did you stick around?
Meet and greet!
To meet them. So we're gonna have a photo op after, right? You guys know that, right? Okay. So we're gonna go over some house rules on that, okay? There's not gonna be any phones. You're gonna have an official photographer who will take a photo of you guys. It'll go 10 by 10, okay? And then the photo will be on TFC's Facebook group, okay? So just no selfies, no phones. We have to move it quickly because then we have another group of people waiting to come in. Okay? So deal? Is that a deal?
Yes!
Okay, thank you very much. Also, we're trying not to like jump on them because no wrestling. They're not trained for wrestling or MMA. Okay? So let's just be a little bit, you know, just a little bit back. Okay? Firstly, I'd like to thank ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, and GMA Pictures for this groundbreaking film collaboration. Yes, give it up for ABS-CBN, Star Cinema, and GMA Pictures. This is their collaboration in bringing this sequel to the phenomenon that is the highest-grossing film of all time, Hello, Love, Goodbye. Right? That's the highest grossing film of all time for Philippine cinema. Until today. We are at 1.06 billion.
Wow.
I know, mayaman today. So, we're still excited. We're still ready to go here. You guys are ready? I see it. Wow, you guys got t-shirts right in there. Wow. You guys are serious. Okay. So, before we bring them up, how are we for time back there?
So ito na yung meet and greet photo ops. So 10 by 10 ang gagawin namin. So before that, meron muna akong kakusapin yung seatmate ko. Ma'am, it's okay to do it now?
Yeah.
So what's your name? Chelsea, okay. So thank you for doing this on my channel. My name is Kuya JDL. What is the favorite scene in the movie?
Favorite scene?
Give it this one.
First time?
I think mine was the bench.
Let's go.
Bench scene?
Yeah.
You got your
I felt
emotion?
the emotions for that one.
Alright,
Yeah.
can I share mine?
Okay, again,
When he got this music.
Oh, that was good. Thank
That's
you.
my
Yeah.
Anyway, any message for them or for the fans? Because my first video, a lot of Catholic fans are listening on this. So any message?
Go watch it if you didn't already. It was amazing.
Okay, thank you, Chelsea, and have a great day. Thank you.
Papanuhin ko po ng mic yung kamay.
job again. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat for making time for tonight. And we're very happy that you liked our film. Maraming salamat po for the support. And we're excited to be here.
Hello, good evening! Sana nagustuhan niyo yung movie. Thank you so much for being here. And makisaya din kami na ito yung naging last stop namin. So thank you guys and excited kami to meet you all in a bit. Thank you.
Alright, so can we get everyone to sit there so everyone can sing? Remember what rule number 1 was when the photo op happens. What's rule number 1? No cell phones, right? Okay, so get your phone now. I can see a lot of you guys right now. Make sure you're not low bats because this is going to be a bit, okay? So, first question. Was it because of traffic that you were like waiting ahead for like 10 minutes?
Oh my God, sorry. Sorry po, nag-dinner kami.
Andiyan lang kami sa tabi. Sorry. Sorry guys.
Diyan lang sa tabi.
No, just kidding. Okay.
Like dessert pa.
What was dinner? What was dinner?
We ate steak and...
Did you cook it, Alden? Did you make the steak from the fridge?
Hindi, mas masarap mo yung luto dito sa Toronto eh.
Alright, so I want to ask a question of you guys. We were asking questions of them as you guys were awaiting your arrival here, guys. And they wanted to ask, what was the hardest scene for you guys to have filmed during this movie?
I think yung mga... Actually, every scene is challenging to take. Especially po kasi nag-shoot kami dito sa abroad. Of course, we only have a small group altogether. So, but siguro kung meron man specific na challenging na mga eksena po sa amin, it's really that yung mga confrontations or the heavy scenes po that you guys just saw. Kasi it requires yung emotional requirement po is quite big, and then at the same time, we have to make the scene work because, of course, this is our tribute to our kababayans, our OFW kababayans here abroad. So, sana po nagustuhan niyo yung mga eksena, and I hope you were able to learn something from it as much as we did.
As for me, I think yung hardest scenes were all the present scenes. Since napanood na po natin lahat ng movie, so diba meron pre-pandemic, during pandemic, and after pandemic. Feeling ko mahirap i-handle, especially after the breakup of Ethan and Joy, kung paano sila nung nag-reunite. Because kailangan, hindi namin sinabi agad sa viewers kung bakit, what happened to them. So, you know, may mga nuances and meron mga nire-requiring scenes na walang lines na ibang dynamics ni Joy and Ethan. So, the first few shooting days while shooting that, medyo mahirap siya timplahin. Yeah.
The other question that we were going to ask was also, what was the biggest thing that surprised you when you came to shoot here in Canada? What was the thing that lasted with you the most, or most surprising thing that you guys encountered here?
I think po, more over anything, the people that we get to meet here, our kababayans po, yung resilience and the joy that they have, regardless na malayo sila sa Pilipinas. I think yun yung nag-resonate sa akin doon sa mga nakakausap namin, and yung pagpupursige and yung passion nila to give their families a better life, I think. And of course, with the people that na nakilala po namin dito, sobrang na-inspire niyo po kami lahat with all of the things that you went through just, you know, to make a living every day, to make your lives better every day. So thank you po for inspiring us, kasi ang nagagawa naman po namin ngayon as actors is we get to inspire others na hindi alam kung ano nga ba yung pinagtataanan po ng mga kababayan natin OFW. So thank you so much for the inspiration.
It's really a love letter to those who made the sacrifice of coming here to make a living here. How many of you made that same journey as they did? Yeah, so a lot of us daming kilig, no? During the film. How about you, Kat?
kaka-hear the stories of our kababayans too. Because before po kami pumunta sa Canada, the team went ahead to do interviews, research nila. So yung ibang scenes talaga sa movie dahil galing yun sa mga kapwa Pinoy, how they started a decade ago or more than a decade ago. So it's just nice to see, to hear those stories. Tapos yung ibang stories na yun at mga tao na yun na-meet namin when we were in Calgary. So ang surreal lang na nakita mo how they are now, yung kung ano yung tinrabaho nila over the years, lahat sila in a better place now. So it's nice to see and it's very inspiring to see that.
I mean, there's so many who are now successful in their own right and still working hard, no matter the success here. So give it up for you guys who have done so much. And I guess we're going to wrap it up here so we can get to the photo op, obviously. So, for Canada, because right after this, you guys are going, you're flying back. Like, I don't know what else, like 2 hours na.
Yes.
So what's your final message for Canadians, Filipino Canadians?
Before we go, again, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng suporta nyo. Ang ganda-ganda ng news na nababalita sa amin everyday dahil sa pagtanggap niyo ng pelikula. Alam namin yung iba galing pa sa malayo and then some waited free for hours, but we're just happy to see everyone here kahit limited yung oras natin. We personally want to thank you for inspiring us more than anything. Saludo kami lahat sa inyo and hopefully this won't be the last. Sana makabalik kami next time na medyo mas mahaba. But for now, thank you and we'll see you again very soon. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po for making time to see our film. We're very grateful beyond words actually with all the news that we've been getting po in the past couple of days. And I'd like you guys to have a part, parang consider yourself part of the story because this is your story. Yung mga kababayan natin OFWs, this is something that we should be proud of all over the world na we endure certain difficult situations and circumstances just to make a living and at the same time be proud of it and be resilient about it. So muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandito. Sana po, hindi to ang uli natin pagkikita. We hope to see you guys again soon and thank you for supporting Hello Love again. Salamat po.
Kami na. Ready! Other side!
Okay, ready? Wow, big smiles here, everybody. 3, 2, 1, and smile. Perfect.
Okay, cut! Congratulations! Thank you.
Ingat!
Good! Tisoy, congratulations!
Congrats!
Thank you.
Congrats! Ang galing mo.
Okay, sige Okay mga ape meron akong mga kasama dito. Ano po name nila? Erica, kayo po?
Gayo.
And kayo po, sir? Robin. And kayo po?
Mau.
Oh, so mabilis lang. Hello Love again, favorite scene?
Anything na Calgary, I don't know.
Alright.
Basta maganda siya.
Okay, saan ka naiyak?
Naiyak, siguro, yung pag-give up na si Alden kasi relatable siya. Kasi I work in healthcare too.
Okay, kayo sir, ano po ang paborito niyo sa pelikula?
Yung nasa bench sila.
Alright, and kayo ma'am?
Yung confrontation about kay Baby and kay
Kanina, kay Baby and
yung kay Baby, yung late na movie si Alden.
Alright, okay. So mga ape, ito na yung mga nakausap natin from Toronto. Maraming salamat po and thank you.
May YouTube po ba kayo?
Yes. Okay, dito na nagtatapos ang aming Hello Love Again experience.
Yes.
At ayun ito yung mga fans club.
Fan club na na-recruit.
Ayan. Okay, salamat pala sa mga cut din at sinuportahan nyo yung vlog ko. Huwag kayong magsasawa Okay, maraming salamat po. Best regards, Kuya JDL. Bye-bye.